Hey, hello, back with me Beno in my channel, and the reason I'm using English for this review is because it's Star Wars, Star Wars, and I believe that everybody that loves Star Wars can speak English, am I correct? And this time we're going to review the latest, and the Walmart only released figure of DVZ. It's from Clone Wars, but don't worry because actually the sculpt for the head is the same as the vintage collection that has been released previously, and the Clone Wars cartoon is just for the packaging, and they released all together, and of course they all female warrior of Jedi, and you can see this one, all of them has been already released in the vintage collection but without the photorealistic technology, so the reason we will buy another of them because they got the photorealistic technology, the Barris offe you can see. Let's see later after we open the package, of course. And this is Luminara Unduli, the character. She is Myrilian, if I'm not mistaken, the name of the species. And this is another Myrilian with green or yellow skin. And this is the Jedi Master, and this is the Jedi Knight. So this is the teacher, this is the student. They both fought in Clone Wars, while she's killed by Order 66, and this one she survived, but she blamed Ahsoka Tano for the evil things, And this is Aayla Secura, ready release, like I said, and she got great photo technology. You can see this one. The head. It's so different from the previous release of DVZ. I already have one, but I think I lost since I got so many collection of Star Wars. She got a nice robe, the regular robe that we get if you already collect the DVZ from the golden era. You got so many robes, and now she got the robes, another robes, and you can see the joints is already got the super ultimate articulation nowadays, and this is the same, I think. Cool choice, new color, I think, but the selling point is, like I said, always the photorealistic technology. She got so many articulation, and the not hip, this is the abdomen articulation. It's very good. This is Twi'lek, blue Twi'lek, and Caucasian. The actor is Caucasian. This blue lightsaber, she can hold it firmly, even though the hand is sculpted like pointing a gun, is for holding the trigger finger. And she got another hilt for the lightsaber. You can attach it on her waist like this. Cool. It's Aayla Secura with new photo articulation. The next one, let's see the teacher. The back of the package, you will see her deflect any incoming blaster. Open her, and you've got the removable headdress. Yeah, it's her under the head. What do you call it? This I don't know what to say this. Then she got another cloak, working cloak. Actually, it's kind of hoodie, but not too hoodie because it's not covering over all of her head. Just nice release. The fully articulation Luminara Unduli. Let's see under the robe. We've got still another old style hips tight. You can move the leg, because she's got all articulation. The arm also can move 360 degrees with soft tunic and headdress. She's the Jedi Master. She's got no hilt and green lightsaber. The fingers is the lightsaber post holding hand, and there she goes. And the last of this wave, actually we've got another figures. It is the clone troopers, commander clone troopers, but we only review the Jedi now. This is the back of the packaging. We've got the teacher, the master, and the student. Then this is Barris Offe, the last Jedi Knight, and we don't know the fate of her, since I don't think so there's a explanation of her continuity. She's got another hilt, just like Aayla Secura. You can attach it on her waist like this, and she's got kind of trigger finger, but it's okay. She can wield her lightsaber, her blue lightsaber. You can chop off the head. She's the Muslim way, because he wear hijab. And this is the waist articulation. She got soft tunic. Let's see under the robe. She's got another DVZ old style tights, not ball jointed, just swivel joint. Okay, I want you to see this is the old DVZ style, the old release before this. While the old got yellow, this is green lightsaber, while the new release one, she's got blue lightsaber, because in the back side she's wielding the blue lightsaber. And she's got another color like crimson red, This one in the movie version have the kind of dark blue, titan blue, or grayish color. This one is more blue, red, red. What do you call it? Red. Burgundy, burgundy. Okay, so of course the difference is in the photorealistic technology. You can see the difference. Let's focus the camera. Yes, so it's so totally different, the painted way and the photorealistic way. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's the end of my review for this time. Thank you for watching, and that's it. That's all. May the force be with you, and bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.